Tired of getting faked out by false breakouts? This simple crossover trick could help you catch cleaner trends and stay in the trade longer. This strategy uses just two indicators. The Donchian Channel, 20. It shows the highest highs and lowest lows over 20 candles. A 50-period simple moving average, SMA, your trend filter. Here's how it works. For a buy, wait for price to break above the upper Donchian band and be above the 50 SMA. For a sell, price must break below the lower band and be below the 50 SMA. Enter on the candle close. Set stop loss just outside the opposite Donchian band. Simple, visual, and trend confirmed. Pro tip: only trade when the Donchian channel is expanding. It means the market is trending. Skip it when it's flat and choppy. And always risk just 1 to 2% per trade. Protect your capital first. This strategy helps you avoid noise and ride real momentum. Want the exact indicators and templates? Grab them free at forexmt4indicators.com, link in the description.